Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we're replacing the SD in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-54. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. There's a small button here that you want to push forward and it'll let you pull the battery out. Now remove the 6 screws holding down the back plate. And now the cards and the SSD is exposed. There's a little tab of plastic that you want to move out the way that covers the SSD. And now you can install the SSD. It just needs 1 screw. And that's it. You want to put all the screws back on your bottom plate and put the battery back. And you're all done. Any questions or comments, you can leave below. Thank you for watching.